Hello everyone, I'm gonna be vlogging, or at least trying to. So we're gonna have lunch now and I'm gonna have pizza. So I'm here with my sister, but she doesn't want to show her face, so I'm just cutting her face off. Yay! She thinks I have like 30,000 subscribers, not 30.
Doesn't matter, I still look ugly.
They should get the photo.
You feel so full later. Wow, this background noise is
Great.
True.
So it's currently 1:53 or something, and we're gonna go and have breakfast, but it's too late, so we just decided to go out and have lunch. And it was actually a pretty productive day because I woke up at 10 a.m., which is pretty damn early for me because I've been waking up like at 1 these days. Either way, I filmed, and yes, it was pretty productive. I actually slept so bad yesterday though because it was so warm, and I'm the kind of like obsessive person who has to cover a part of her body, so I ended up covering my feet, and I ended up sleeping without my pillow too. I don't know what the sense of that is, but I got my pillow off because it was that warm, and this morning I woke up and my neck hurt so much. Plus, I couldn't sleep either because I had like 3 mosquito bites and they were so itchy, and somehow I have a mosquito bite in my butt cheek. Don't even ask me why. I have no freaking clue. I actually think it's from that day that I slept only with a shirt on.
And underwear.
And underwear, obviously. It's raining so much today. It's actually nice. I'm just not really one for like really cheesy flavors. So
It's really big. I kept telling you to eat the spaghetti. You wouldn't eat the spaghetti.
the shade.
You wanted this. You wanted this.
It wasn't cheesy.
It was. You just
I didn't know it was gonna be cheesy. It wasn't cheesy. It was not yellow. They brought this to me and I was all like, why is this yellow? I still ate it. Still nice. Okay. There was once. Okay, there was once in school, like years ago, we had to do this sort of project where we had to cook something for the class. And as in my house, we just don't cook, all right? So obviously I wasn't gonna cook, so I just bought this lemon pie. I went to school and it just said I had done it, and then for the video I had gotten videos from the internet of me, not of me, I had gotten videos of the internet of this strange ass person cooking a lemon pie, and everyone thought I had done it. Remember, and we even like dirtied it a little so it looked like I did. Such a liar, don't trust me. Okay, it's gonna be death. This is gonna be death. Should we do it? Should we go for it?
Should we shower?
Oh my Jesus. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Careful. Oh, oh, we did it. So cute. What the hell are you doing? Outfit of the day, I am wearing this shirt from Farah, these jeans from Tumblr, sneakers, tote bag from Bel Air, and the cap is from Japan. Woo! It's currently 6 something and I've done nothing the entire afternoon. I've tried to download Sims though. I got these really cool hairstyles for my Sims. Obviously I downloaded it illegally, but I I saw these hairstyles, and one was 2 buns, which was super cute, and yeah, I'm really excited to play, even though I'll probably play like 3 months from today because I'm really lazy when it comes to downloading stuff. And you can see my ear and I'm looking like an elf. Yay! We're gonna go buy some stuff. I need to buy a present for a friend, and maybe we're gonna go get bubble tea, I'm not sure. Look how cute! I'm such like an obnoxious bitch. I love all of these.
Months ago, she was complaining about how she'd never buy a can, and here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Yay, I found the concealer I was looking for. Could you please stop looking at those tacky ass concealers, which we've tried so many times and they crease? Are you sure? Yeah, I'm freaking sure, crew. I'm actually so freaking sure. Get that? On my face. No, well, this one. This is the one we used before. Yeah, but I mean it's good, but a lot of product comes off. So these are the charcoal masks, which I haven't tried. Have you tried them? No. What? I want to try them. These are like those Instagram ones that people like peel off their skin and their entire soul comes off. We're going shopping because we're gonna go to the Card concert. And we still don't know what we're gonna wear, and we still haven't learned a lot of the songs. Okay, so there's a really cute stationery shop where I always go to. And some junkie. I'm gonna tell you. Oh my god. Wow.
Prettiest man any of you guys will ever see.
Kings. Where is my man? Where are you? Oh my. Look at him. He was clearly looking up at me.
But
These are
you
pretty,
can get
though.
her one of these. These are really cute too.
Where? Maybe she can draw there? I don't know. It's cute. I don't know, she can't draw there because it's striped. Okay, but the stationery is so cute. I'm crying. Look how cute. What are those?
Erasers.
Okay, so these are the things that I got for her. I got these to like mark, I don't know, like to organize her school stuff. And I got this really cute notebook. I'll probably write something for her in the first page. And this pen. A pencil. I don't. This Gudetama pen because she loves Gudetama and it's super cute. And yes, this pen, which is a little bit derpy, but I mean it's cute, so yes. Cuteness overload. I'm crying. Yay, we got bubble tea at the end. I got choco bubble tea, which is my fave. We got this green tea cake. And what you get? Daru, right? And you got Daru. This place is so cute, and they even gave us this for free. He's so cute. And look at those minions. Look at that decor.
I mean, so good.
Look at that decor. They gave us another type of tapioca, and this was actually better because it's smaller. She dared. She dared.
This vlog is just us eating.
When is it not though? We're gonna do a Would You Rather K-pop edition, right?
Oh my god.
It's so awkward that I can't show your face. It looks like I'm like not speaking to anyone and that I'm actually making up that I have a friend.
You can't show my face. See that one?
Oh.
And would you rather
Mm-hmm.
only be able to say the name Sehun for the rest of your life?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
whenever you try
Sure.
to refer to people?
Sure.
Or
Mm-hmm.
never have known that he exists.
I'd rather just say Sehun my entire life. Isn't that what I'm doing right now?
Are you relax, please? By the way.
Would you rather?
Yes.
Every time you see Jongdae, have to slap him? Or would you rather every time you see Jongdae, pee yourself?
Pee.
Yeah. Would you rather? Which one?
You are disgusting. I would rather pee myself.
That's a disgusting one.
Would you rather not be able to, like, go deaf every time that Min Yoongi, Suga from BTS, speaks, raps, whatever? Like, you go deaf, permanently deaf.
Which what type
Only
of
for
game
him. Only for him.
are
like,
you playing?
Like, you can listen to Jungkook and you can listen to everyone else except him. Or have to, like, burp crazily every time anyone mentions or you see Oseon. Like huge burps.
I just forgot everything you just said.
We're talking about huge burps.
So every time I see Sehun, I burp. I don't like burping.
I know.
Or every time I see Shuka,
I hear.
Every time I hear, I just no, I don't hear Shuka.
Exactly.
I gotta hear Shuka.
You've gotta hear shit.
I've got to hear
Oh my
Shuka.
god, it's those crazy ass burps of yours. Y'all better run. Y'all better hit that unsubscribe and run.
Good job, 30 subscribers. Please don't hit the unsubscribe button.
Yes, we're rating again. I am sorry. I don't know why I'm like this. But yeah, we're having dinner now. Yeah, we had dessert before dinner. I don't even know what we did. Now, this is what we're talking about. I will never marry anyone that does not know how to make me this daily. You just looked up because you thought that what she was bringing was your food.
Fried chicken.
Tteokbokki. Yes.
So I'm back home and I'm so tired and full and I feel gross. But either way, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I bought. From Primor, I bought this yogurt mask. It says that it's for brightening and smoothing effects and ideal for adult skin. Next, I bought just the concealer I always use from Maybelline, which is my favorite concealer right now. From NYX or NYX, I don't know, however you want to call it. I bought two things. I bought this for color correcting, which I've been wanting for a while, so I'm so happy I got it. And then I just got this dark, well, not really medium brown eyeshadow because I wanted a color for just to use as a base, and I don't normally do my eyes, but I want to start doing them more often because of makeup looks for videos and stuff. And then these 5 things I bought for my friend in that cute stationery shop, but I already showed it to you guys before, so there's no really much sense in showing it to you again. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll probably do more vlogs more often, especially more where I'm not eating all the time, because today's video is just being about me eating and complaining about how full I am. But yes, either way, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!
Baby